Hey guys, good morning. Hi Samarendra, good morning. You're the first one to say good morning. That's great. How are you doing, Samarendra? Awesome, awesome. Am I audible and visible? Just let me know if not. Good morning, Brahmanand. That's good. Eagerly waiting for the session. That's awesome. Good, good, good. Okay, I'm visible, right? And you can see me. Or you want to move it to little left or right? Or it's okay? Central position. My position is fine, guys. Audible and visible. Hi, Hare Krishna. Hi, good morning, Sasikant. I hope all of you are having great time. It's a quite nice weather in Bangalore. Last night rained like crazy, so I think people from other cities also can tell how is the climate there. Hi, Dibya, good morning. Bit left. Okay, just let me know because sometimes this camera, last time it confused a lot. Is it okay now, Samarendra? If not, I'll still move. Audible and visible. Okay, because I should be in a central position, but sometimes this camera ditches me. It shows that I'm in central, but when I see actually it's not. Hi Shiv Shankar Padi, good morning. Hi Pragya, good morning. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes. Sorry, bit right. You tell me, I just moved that way. Alright, now it's fine, I guess. So idea should be in the center so that there is no confusion. Okay, now I guess we are good. So let's wait for a couple of minutes more, 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, all of you just who have joined already, I hope all of you have water bottle with you, and you have a mat as well. And do some I don't know, some pre workout snacks like an app. You can have a banana or maybe some nuts. If you have not yet had it, good to have because during the workout you will burn a lot of calories and need to have those calories in the body. So maybe you can have one banana or some nuts if not yet. Good to have before the workout so that we are good. We can put maximum energy during the workouts and a lot of fun we can have. Hi Ashish, good morning. I think we are doing good now. People have started joining. Let's wait for 2 more minutes and we'll start with the HIT. Just to give a background on what is HIT, many of you, how many of you know about HIT? I have never heard of it. Just, I want to hear from one or two people. Anyone know what is HIT? No? If you don't type, I assume you don't know. Sweetpat. Sweetpat, what's your full name? A good name? It's a little different name. Looks like a chat lingo or something, but you can tell your name. Yeah, so I was asking anybody knows what is HIT before we start. So HIT, okay, somebody can tell, then I can explain, or maybe we can understand during the workout also, not a problem. I think this chat is coming a little slow. I don't know, is it because my HIT, just to give a background, okay, I think no, you don't know, okay. So HIT is just to give a background, what is HIT? It's a little different from other form of exercises. In HIT, what we are going to do is high intensity interval training. Yes, Samarendra, correct. So in that, what happens is, today we'll not do, okay, we'll do counting obviously as usual, but also you need to have a timer in front of you, timer, okay? So, I have the timer with me. Why it is required, I can tell you. So we'll do kind of 45 seconds to 1 minute of high intensity short burst of workout each of the set. Okay, lot of energy, lot of excitement for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Sandhya, hi, good morning Sandhya. Good morning Salendra. Jyotiranjan, good morning. Okay, so I was talking about HIT. What is HIT program? Is high intensity interval training. So this will be like short burst of lot of energy, lot of things will go into very fast movements for 45 seconds to 1 minute, and after that there will be cool down. So you are doing, energy getting burst all for a very high peak. Again you are slowing down, and that actually gives a lot of burn. Okay, so in very short time we have to do a lot of things. 45 seconds we have to do very fast movements, and you will really feel a sweat. Okay. Good morning Sanjay, good morning Devasis. I guess we all are there. So let me start with some of the basic things. Okay, today is going to be again no equipment HIT program. Doesn't require you have any equipment. You don't need any dumbbells. You don't need any any balls or something. You just need to be yourself. You use your body weight, and you can burn a lot of calories. Okay, and we'll do a lot of fast movements. Keep a timer with you. Timer is required. We have to keep it 1 minute timer, and we have to do maximum repetition as possible. Okay. So what we'll do is first we'll do the warm up. Okay, warm up, the basic warm up. Let me just kind of be pre warm up. Some quick exercise. Let me do for you. So after that we'll get into warm up thing. All right. So quickly, all of you can do this. Alternate knee tap. Just try to stretch your knees. So this I'm not considering as a warm up. I can it's a pre warm up thing. Just little bit stretch. Your body is cold. After yesterday's rain, the weather is cool. So this is a kind of thing. Next, just quick thing. All right. So quick thing I'm just doing it. This is not a warm up. I can say it's a pre warm up thing. Just to get some heat in the body, just a little bit warm. So just a quick thing. Alright, so just to get little warm, okay? Hi, good morning Krupa, good morning Devasis, okay. Yeah, so what we'll do now today, we'll do a warm up which will be 3 rounds. Not 4 rounds, which we do generally, 3 rounds of warm up, because I want you to conserve a lot of energy for the main workout. Main workout will go a lot of energy, so our warm up will be little softer side, little not very kind of tough. You will not sweat today in a warm up side. Yeah, but the main exercise will be little more detailed, okay? So in warm up, what we'll do is there are 3 sets. Each set will do 20 times. 20 times you can do, and after maybe 15 times you can do, because I want you to save energy for the main session, okay? So, and main session we'll have around 4 sets. Each of the set will keep 1 minute timer. Okay, 1 minute timer, as many reps as possible. As many reps as possible. And this 1 minute you have to put a lot of energy. Okay, and finally we'll cool down. Okay, so I hope all of you can see me and we can start. Are you good to go now? Good morning, Priyanka. So we'll start just quickly. I'll just demonstrate what is the warm up we're doing today. 3 warm ups sit are there. Each of 3 of them. Just to give you a little bit, excitement, little bit energy, and add kind of cardio, your body will get heated so that you get ready for the main workout, energy burst and everything, okay? So, what we'll do in warm-up is, first one is toe tap. Let me explain you first, then we'll do the real warm-up thing. So, first one we're going to do is a toe tap, okay? Toe tap is simple, you are just tapping the toes, tapping the toes, tapping the toes, tapping the toes, tapping the toes. You can see toe to toe, moving side to side, like this. You can do little variation as well. This is little, I can say, regular one. You can do little difficult as well. Like scatters, you can do if you want, or maybe you can do toe to toe. Okay? Toe to toe. This is the first one. First toe tap. Okay, this is warm up. And we'll do 20 repetitions. And count your data, count the number of times you're doing it. Next we'll do a squat. I guess all of you know squat, nothing much to explain there. One sec. This is, I need to push little behind. I don't step on that. Okay, squat, what you'll do? Understand here in squat, what you need to do is don't do like this. Okay, try to get your body go down slowly and up, slowly and up. And while you come up, put your glutes little, squeeze your glutes and put it out. Squeeze your glutes and put it out. Squeeze your glutes and put it out. Okay, so that is what we can do on the squat side. Okay, and squat, the body has to come down. You have to hinge at the hips. See how I'm doing, squeezing the glutes and take it out. Okay, third one is butt kicks. You know the butt kicks, not much to explain. Like this. But if you want a little beginner level, little regular one, okay, easier one I can say, you just keep moving one leg to other. You don't need to jump. Okay, and understand this is going to kick the butts. You need to kick the butts. You need to touch the butts. Okay, so these are 3 warm-up rounds. Is it okay? Clear? Anybody has a question? We can start with the warm-up. 20 repetitions each of the set. Here there is no HIT thing. I mean there is no stopwatch. Stopwatch will put in the main workout. Is it fine, guys? If yes, we'll get started right away. Yes. I'm still waiting to hear. Anybody who is not clear? I hope all of us, it was quite simple. Devi Prasad, hi, good morning Devi Prasad. Bhavesh, good morning. Yes, Sunitra, great. So let's start with the toe tap, okay? And toe tap, Shiva Shankar, great. We can get started now. So we'll start with the toe tap, then we'll move to the squat, then we'll move to the butt kicks, okay? And do it, 20 times. If you're a beginner, if you want an easy one, then do slow, okay? And it doesn't matter whether you do 20 times or not. Do as if you're not able to do 20, do it 10, do it 15. Do how much you can do. Do at your best. Okay, that's important. Great, Somadanda. So let's start with the toe taps. So Anas sir, give a smile on your face. See, my hands are also shuffling along with my legs. Toe to toe. Side to side. Little smile on your face. Remove all your sadness, all your tension, all your work pressure, all your family pressure, all the COVID things. Forget everything. Just be here, guys. Toe to toe, side to side. Move. Keep moving. 20 times each side. Oh. Yeah. Wow. I feel the little warm now. Feeling a little better. Body is getting used to now. We'll get used to if not. Engage the core. Count your data, guys. How many times you're doing it? Count your reps. I want the reps. And each of the thing will do 30-second break. Because we did talk as well. So 15 seconds will not be enough. We'll talk and we'll do everything. Guys. Welcome. Welcome, Manoranjan. Welcome, Swagatika. All of you are having ball of a time now. So how many reps you have done, guys? 20? Welcome to the Fit You and Me HIT program. Today I'm going to have a lot of fun. See, I'm getting a little warm up right now. The breathing has to increase. The breathing speed and everything. Okay? Put your reps, guys. How many reps? I did 20. How about you? Once you do that, we'll move next one. I have 27 people right now in the session. That's awesome. Okay. 20. Great, Sunitra. 20 each side. 20 plus 20 is actually 40. Selling the 20. Awesome. That's good. Are you feeling a little warm right now? Good. I think that's good. So let's now move on to squat. Alright. So, squat, again as I said, put your hands straight, go down, Don't bend your back. Your back should not be bent. Don't put pressure on your lower back. In squat, a lot of people make mistakes. Your body has to go down in a straight line. It should not go like this or this. This will put pressure on your back. Go straight and coming up, squeeze your glutes. Is it? I'm not scared of you. Like this. That attitude has to come when you stand up. I'm not scared of anybody. Like this. 20 times, guys. 20 times. Pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Squeeze your glutes. 13, 14. Hinge at the hips. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great, gang. Great, gang. All right. I think Priyanka is 20, Salendra is 20. Samananda is 25. Put your reps for this one as well. Divya 25, great. Brahmananda 20, that's awesome. Put your reps, guys, for the second squat. I hope all of you enjoy squat as well. Great fun. Works on your thighs, works on your legs, works on your core as well. Put your reps, how many times you've done. This is a 30-second break, by the way, so some of you can have water. You can have a towel as well. And little dry up, sweat it out, kick it out, get ready for the last warm-up and do one more iteration after that, and we'll move on to main exercise. Salendra 20, Ramananda 25, great. Priyanka 25, wow. 20 from Siva, Manoj, Manju is 25. Side angle, okay, you want to see the side angle. Side angle. See here, I'm moving and glutes in and check. Your front should be out. Okay. Okay, so I think that's good. Got it? Great. Move on to next one. Ashish Kumar, Mr. 25. So, butt kicks. Butt kicks, easy one, as I said last time. Like this. But I want you to go to the advanced one, which is a regular one, in fact. Okay? So, 20 times. Count it. Kick your butts, guys. We're done with one set, guys. Put your data, put your refs. One set is done. Now I'll do the second iteration of this warm-up, 3 rounds. Do it little so that we can sweat. We feel the energy coming up for the main exercise. All right. You can have a towel with you. You can dry up. You can have some water. Brahmananda is 40. My God, that's good. Sunita is 20. Awesome. See, we need a little bit of break between exercises. So this chat also helps in that. The break time, what do you do? Move here and there or just get engaged. The 30-second break helps us to get engaged. So Sunita is 20, Salendra is 30, Devasith is 20, and what is BK? BK 25. Squat is 20, BK is 20, butt kicks. Okay. We all are into sort. Siva is 30, great. Siva. Someone is 30, great. Divya, great. 25, great. You guys are doing awesome. Are you guys enjoying? So we move to the last warm-up round before we get into the main exercises. Are you guys enjoying? You are feeling little sweat? Little warm-up? Morning time, if you sweat, you feel good, right? Hi, good morning, Suvita. Good morning, Niranjan. Okay, so we'll do the last warm-up round. In this, again, the three things we'll do, and each of them will have 25, 20, 30 seconds break. So that will be good, so that we keep moving, we don't stop. Okay, toe touch. So toe touch, second warm-up round. Okay, little legs should be little side, little apart. See, shuffling, keep shuffling. Keep your back straight, don't bend the back. Keep your core tight, keep your core engaged. It's a very warm-up, very good warm-up exercise, guys. I enjoy it. Your whole body start moving. See, your hands are moving, your core, all muscles are getting energized, all the muscles are getting engaged. I'm not counting, but I know I'm gonna do more than 20. Oh. See, like this, like this, like this, like this. Yes. Yeah. Come on, guys, you can do it. Just a warm-up. Just a warm-up, guys. Okay, good. 30-second break again. Whew. Breathe in and breathe out. Don't stop breathing. I know you'll get energy. You stop breathing suddenly. Or you'll do the way you used to do before. Your breathing has to increase. Because your body needs more oxygen now. Don't stop breathing. Keep breathing, guys. Keep inhale, exhale. So what is the reps now this time? You can see the sweat on my face. I assume you also sweating. We're close to 30 now. That's good. Sukant, good morning. Samar Kesari Palta Singh, great. Good morning. All right. So, this is a great warm-up, guys. This is the second round and last round of warm-up before we move to the main exercises. So let me now move to the next one, which is toe tap. Sorry, squat. So meanwhile, you can type your data. I'll see when I come back because my 30 seconds are over, so I have to get started. Okay. Keep your hands straight. You can do the way you want, you know. One option is keep your hand like this. See? Keep your glutes tight. Keep your back tight. And chest up. Body up. You can see your body is coming out. And while going down, put your back straight. Just going normally. Side movement. Okay. Do as much as possible. Side movements. Good, guys. This squat is awesome. Are you enjoying it? What is the refs, by the way? For first and second set. What's the refs? 30-second break. Before we move to the butt kick and the last warm-up. Then move to the main exercises. You see a little bit sweat on my midriff. Okay. So what I'm going to do the last warm-up of the day. that is butt kicks. Let's get excited, guys, for last warm up and do 20 times or 15 times how much you can do. Okay, so quickly we'll get into a butt kicks. Ha. Done. I'm done with the warm-up, guys. How about you? Are you done? We move to the main exercise. 30-second break again. I somehow am not seeing the comments. Is there some problem in network? Your shirt should start sweating a little. The comments are not coming. There's some network problem. Bangalore, that's the issue, man. Okay. Somebody can say hi. I just make sure that you guys are watching. I think my side there might be network a little bad because this is the challenge here. Okay. Keep typing, guys, because I'm not able to read the comments. So there is some network issue, but yeah, I'll keep you engaged for the time. Okay. So let's have a quick water break. Move to the main exercises. So what we'll do now is we'll do the main exercise. There are 4 different sets. Each set will do 1 minute timer. So we'll keep a 1 minute timer and understand one thing: we have to do as many as possible with a very fast speed. Okay, it's not slow. It is very fast. 1 minute. You put a timer 45 seconds. 30 seconds also okay. Anything is fine. It's not that you have to reach 1 minute or 2 minutes. It's all about you giving your best. You getting better every time, right? So in main workout we have 4 sets. First set is a start jump. Let me demonstrate for you, and if you have queries we can discuss. Okay, Ashish Patnaik, good morning. So main exercise what we'll do is a start jump. Start jump is a simple one, but gives a lot of energy. See, understand one thing, it's a HIIT program. So 1 minute we have to do max. So put a timer, stopwatch, but before that watch me doing it. Start, like start the jumping. That's a start jump. Okay, guys. Sivita, Niranjan, Sukanta, Samar, Ashish, all are watching. Guys, are you able to hear me? Anybody is not able to hear me? Am I audible? So this is start jump. So start jump we'll do 1 minute. Keep a timer with you, and we're going to run for 1 minute. If you want, you can do also for 45 seconds. In 45 seconds, do the maximum energy. Let's do one thing. Let's keep it 45 seconds. 1 minute, little bit difficult. To many of you are beginners coming maybe 3rd or 4th session. 45 seconds will be great. Or you can do 30 seconds as well. Okay, great. So guys, let's start with the start jump. First, okay, let me tell you one by one all exercises, then we'll start with all these them. Next is workout. So start jump, you got it. We have to do 45 seconds. As many as possible with a lot of energy, lot of excitement. Next is the workout. How to work out? Stand like this, okay? If you want a little difficult one, you can do also push up like this. They work out. They're just working out. It's quite good exercise, guys. Work out. Again, 45 seconds timer. As many as possible. Do the max. Okay. Next is burpees to fast fit. Lot of energy, lot of excitement. Have to see how it is happening. So burpees. Okay. Look at it. It's very similar to that what I did. Just that. Burpees and fast fit. Okay guys, this is the third exercise. Great exercise. Put your body on fire. Okay. Again, 45 seconds timer. We have to do as many as possible. Okay, and after that we'll take break of 30 seconds. Good morning Pitavas, good morning Tilochana, good morning Anurag, Brahma, Sujit Naik. Great. And last one is the best one, which I like it. It's a split punch and foot fires, right? So, split punch. So we'll do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. 4 exercises. Each of them are doing for 30-45 seconds. And after that, we'll move to next one. I'm not able to see the chat. There's some issues. Can you just tell me whether you can hear, or there's some issues? Some of the messages are not coming. Looks like a network problem. If there's a network problem, I'd like to catch up after the session. But we have to get started, guys. So put your timer on. This is the timer I have. Put a timer. We have to get started now. Next 4 sets we have to complete quickly. Okay, guys, let's start. First, no star jump. Let's have star jump. Little variation you can do. If you want to jumping your tail, or maybe little easy one, and the regular one. I'm mixing both because this takes a lot of calories. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, so we're done. First set of star jump, 45 seconds. Next we'll do walkout. 45 seconds again. Take a break now. Walkout, you can normally walk out, or you can do push-up after coming down. Okay, again, we have to keep a timer. Take a break now. 20 seconds may be good enough. Are you guys enjoying? Oh, looks like a lot of fun now. All of you have started sweating. Oh, see, you need to sweat, guys. Then only burns fat. Take some water now. Quickly do the second one, walk out. You can go slow if you want. Walk out. Put a timer. Oh. Done. Put how many reps you have done? for the start jump as well for workout, and 30-second break. There's some reason I'm not able to see the comments, but I want to go through it once I become offline. Just put how many reps you have done. I think it's good to do 3 rounds today because it will take a lot of energy. I will not do 4 rounds now. Let's suggest 3 rounds. So now we have first set. We've done 2 things. Let's start jump and workout because these are quite high energy, guys. If you're new, you'll find it tiring, very tiring. So that's why it's good to take slow, good to like it slowly and do it. Not quit, don't quit, just keep doing it, keep trying it. Okay, so 3 rounds we'll do this time today main workout. Next we'll do burpees to fast foot. Okay, put your reps, guys, put your reps, how many you have done for first and second, and I move to the burpees to fast fit. Again, see, it's very fast, it has to go very fast. So while I do the fast fit, 1 2 3 4 5, then next move on to next one. Okay, see how I'm doing it? It's not quite difficult. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh my God. You feel it? Your body's on fire. You feel the energy, guys. So this is awesome, guys. This gives you a lot of burst of energy and you burn a lot of it. Burpees to fast fit. And fast fit, put your body parallel and do it fast. Burpees, go down, again come up and keep doing. So that's fun, guys. So put your reps, guys, how many times you have done. Maybe you can put a timer. 30 seconds you have done, 45 seconds you have done. Anything is fine. Either put the number of set, number of repetitions, or how much, what is the interval you have done. It's 30 seconds. Doesn't matter how many times you're doing it. If you're doing 45 seconds, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me how much time you're doing it. It matters, are you able to do it, and are you able to do it consistently? That matters, because you have to be the best. You have to be better than yourself. Okay, next we move to speed punch and fast fit. Okay, so fast fit is same, but again we'll count 1 2 3 4 5, then fast fit 1 2 3 4 5, then fast fit. Okay, put your reps, guys, put your reps. Speed punch. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 4 5. 3 4 5. 3 4 5. 3 4 5. Oh my gosh, this is good. See the sweat. I hope all of you are sweating now. Are you sweating, guys? Enjoying? Let's take a minute break because we're going to next set now. First set is over. We'll do 2 more sets. Today I'll do 3 sets for HIIT. It will burn a lot of your fat and you should not get tired too much. At the same time, you should feel the energy. You should feel the excitement. You should see the happiness. So do 3 rounds today. 2 more rounds are left. It's a 1 minute break. Have some water and tell me how many reps you have done. Good morning, Partha. Good morning, Prasanna. Good morning, Lilan. So I'm not able to see your comments, but I'll read it once I go offline. I only can see the people who are watching, but I don't see any comments now. So keep blasting with your comments. I'll see how many each of us have done, and I'll give a comments reply back to you. once the session is over, next 15 minutes. Okay guys, so 2 more rounds, not long break, we are taking a break. See the sweat is coming up, but I want to sweat more. I want to stretch myself. I want all of you to stretch yourself. Let's get it done guys, 2 more rounds and we have to give our best. Oh. So move to start jump. If you get tired, do the easier one. If not, do the normal one. Start jump. Again, put a timer. Okay. I have put a timer for 45 seconds. Also you can do like this, if you want, like this, like a star. That's good guys. Feel the energy guys. We are breaking all the barriers. You must be sweating and panting. You feel the energy burst. Feel the sweat. Keep breathing guys, keep breathing. Keep your core engaged. Take water. Okay. So now you can feel your hands are stretching, your legs are stretching, your legs are stretching, everything is stretching, the whole body is stretching. You are giving your back maximum guys. You are giving your best. And that's why you can see the energy. You need to sweat. Oh. Next one. Walk out. Okay, again we have to get to the, it's very simple. Walk down and come back, go and come back. Okay, pretty simple exercise. This is a very easy one actually. I put an easy one in between so that you will take it easy. Remaining 3 are little HIIT program, but this is an easy one. Let's put this way. I hope all of you are ready. Walk out. Stand straight. Keep your core engaged, keep your back engaged. Look straight, chin up. Put your timer guys. 30 seconds or 45 seconds, put a timer. Oh, this is the workout. Again, 1 minute break. Move to the third exercise. Burpees to fast forward. Take some water. Put your reps, guys. How many have done? Put your reps. Now, next 2 are little again. You have to put burst of energy in for 30 seconds to 45 seconds. If you're feeling a lot of sweat and all, do for 30 seconds. 45 is not needed. Do for 30 seconds and put your timer on. All this set, you have to put a timer on so that you know how many reps you have done within that time. 30 seconds, how many you have done? 45 seconds, how many you have done? Good. So move to next one, which is burpees to first fit. So I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, first fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First fit like this. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. 45 seconds done, guys. If you're feeling a lot of energy, not able to breathe, take a little more break. Because HIIT is difficult, guys. It's brutal. Unadulterated, brutal, it's tough, and that's why you burn fat. If something else easy, like lifting this, I won't burn fat. You have to be brutal on yourself. You have to be tough on yourself, guys. All right. Oh. Now, last exercise for second set, that is split punch and fast split. Please put your data, how many you have done, so get to know what is your repetitions. Type it. I hope all of you can hear me. I hope I'm visible. I'm not able to see your chat because of network problem, but I will see it once I go offline. There is little network problem. So we'll move on to next one, is split punch and fast split. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And we are done. So we are done with the last set. This is the last set right now. After this, give your best, guys. Give your 110%, because this is the last set. After that, we'll cool down. I know it's difficult. It's getting tough on you. I know that. I feel myself. You can see the sweat. You hear the breathe. It's very brutal, very difficult, very tough. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. But if you want to make it easy, do little less. Do little slow. But don't stop. Complete all the sets. And when you cool down, you feel the energy back again. Okay? So put your reps, guys. How many times you have done? One set of fast fit and foot fast. Fast fit and foot fast. Or maybe you can tell how much second you have done. 30 seconds or 45 seconds. Okay? So what we'll do is move on to next one. Last set of this exercise today. We'll start with start jump. Start jump, we'll do workout. Last two is burpees, 2 fast fit, and split punch, 2 fast fit. Okay? Great, guys. I put a timer on now. You also put a timer on. Let's do for 30 seconds. Last set, 30 seconds. Lot of energy has to go. Okay? We'll start with start jump. 30 seconds. Oh, done. First start jump is done, guys. 3 more to go before you complete the exercise. Next one is workout. Take a break for 35 seconds, 40 seconds. Then you move to a workout. Keep your timer on, guys. Keep your timer on. So you have to count your how much time you're doing it and how much of reps. So now we are moving to workout. Done. Last 2 setup pending. 30 seconds each. Sweat it out, guys. Kick it out. Okay. I feel all of you are doing great, guys. This time, working out, and this time is not easy. You could have watched your TV, you could have done something else. But today, you are here. I'm proud of you guys. You are taking care of the most important part. What do you have? That health. And health has to be good. And if you don't take care of your health, it's going to be difficult, guys. So last 2 exercise before cool down. So we'll do it. Now burpees to fast fit. Not able to see the comments, but yeah, you can write how much interval you have done, HIT, high intensity interval training, what's the interval you had, and maybe what is the number of reps, how many times you have done. Yeah, if you can write 1 also, it's okay, because I know so many things counting is not easy. When you're sweating, when you're panting, it's not easy to count how much you have done. It's only sees how when I can stop. I know it's not easy. Yeah, so let's do burpees to fast fit. It's going to be tough, guys. Again, last 2 is going to be tough. So let's put a timer, 30 seconds. Okay, I put a timer for 30 seconds. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 30 seconds done, guys. Done. Last one. 30-second break. Maybe you can take 1 minute break, okay? Because last one I want to give your best. I don't want to give up. We have to give it best, guys. It's the last exam of the semester. And maybe last week of the day, the Friday, right? Give it your best to come home early on Friday. Similarly, give it your best to go back to home. Yeah? So, how guys are enjoying, guys? Just tell me, how do you feel? Do you feel sweaty? Do you feel much too much of sweat? It's like you're taking bath in sweat. Have you started feeling the sweat fest? So many in the part of the fest now. All of us are enjoying. We see the energy, we see the excitement, guys. So we'll do the last set of the day, last exercise of the day, that is split punch and foot fires, guys. Take some water, put your time on. Split punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, done. Guys, we're done with the exercise. But to cool down. I find it difficult to breathe because we're sweating so much. Keep breathing, guys. Take a lot of oxygen in, oxygen out. Breathe in, breathe out. Because it's important to breathe. Keep breathing. Don't stop breathing. Okay? 30-second break. We'll start with the cool down and we'll wind up the day. Okay? Cool down will take 2 minutes. That's it. And you're done 1 hour of HIT program. Almost 400 to 500 calories burnt. Okay? So we'll do cool down now. Okay? Cool downs are simple, guys. Just let me know how you're feeling after this exercise. The 4 movements, the main movements are quite hectic, strenuous on your body, stretching you out. How did you find it? Was it tiring? Write your comments, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, be part of all these programs. Okay? So cool down, keep your legs wide, keep your hands like this. So it's a wide toe touch. My toes are wide, my hands are straight, parallel to the ground. Wide toe touch, wide toe touch. One hand to other toe, one hand to other toe. Wow. Feeling the back muscles. You exert a lot of energy, guys. Important to cool down. Get your body back to normal. Sometimes you don't cool down, it's going to be difficult to recuperate for next day. Okay, quad stretch. You need a balance. Lift your one leg. This quad muscles, stretching them. Put your hand there. If you don't have anything, just put a wall or something. Keep your hand there. I know it's difficult to maintain balance. Pull it. Feel the pull on your hamstring area. Pull it towards your back. Try to touch your back. So quad stretch, guys. Next is side bend stretch. Your upper body, lower body all are now a lot of energy, burst of energy, lot of excitement. So side bend stretch. Feel the here. Feel the muscles strain. Keep your legs straight. Okay. All right. Then on the left side, one on the left side, one on the right side. Feel the stretch here. All your body, all your back. Good stretch, guys. Feel like cooling down. Getting back to normal. Next is shoulder stretch, guys. Shoulder stretch, pull it up. Pull your hand back, good for your shoulders. Get them back. Cooling down on your shoulders. Pull it how much you want. Just pull it across. Okay, you can feel it here. Next to the other hand. Yeah, I'm just pulling it. Yes. The squat, shoulder stretch. Next a tricep stretch. Put your hand in like this on the middle of it and try to pull it. Oh, I feel the stretch on oblique and also on the tricep area. Yeah, cooling down, guys. You feel it? Your body is now cooling down. The energy which was body was getting heated now has to cool down. Okay, and one thing you can try also cool down. Try to do this. Good for arm muscles, cooling down. Okay, similarly here, try to touch your fingers. This should be in the middle area. Cooling down, guys. Good, guys. We had 1 hour of non-stop HIIT program. I hope all of you enjoyed. I am not able to see your comments. I know some of you might be telling, enough, give me a break. Some of you might be telling, dil mange more. I'm not able to see anything, but I'll read it after a couple of minutes when I go and check my messages, check the comments. Give your comments, guys. How do you feel? Did you enjoy? How was the session? Any feedback? You have to tell me so that you keep on getting better. And most important part I'll tell you after exercise, do not take a bath immediately because you're sweating. The way I'm sweating, you also sweating. Your body's on fire, body's a lot of burn, body's getting heated. 30-minute break you take, and don't take bath immediately, either in hot or cold water. Take some break of 30 minutes. Take some, maybe you can have some walk here and there and relax a little bit, do other things. and after 30 minutes you can take a bath. Otherwise you get a cold if you take a bath. And take a lot of fluids, lot of salad, take good sleep guys, 7 to 9 hours every single day. Don't compromise on your sleep. I know there's a lot of stress, a lot of depression because of COVID, but that should not let you not to sleep. Take good sleep, good food, good diet, lot of veggies, lot of fruits, and cool down guys. Enjoy the life. I'll tell you, life is great. We are doing great guys, and enjoy your life. If you do workout every single day, you'll feel this is the best day of your life. Okay, and I had a great time today with you, and all of you who you feel your friends also can get benefited from this program. You can invite your friends. In fact, you can share this video in your timeline. You can share in your WhatsApp status. You can share in multiple platforms where you feel people can get benefited by coming to this program, because many of us don't have the option to go to gym now because of COVID, because of lockdown, because of social distancing. But this is a time not for social media distancing. This is a time only for social distancing. So let's get connected. Let's get united through social media. Let's not have any distance. Let's connect. Let's work out together, and let's burn the fat together, guys. Let's get it done, guys. See you in the next class. With this, signing off. Bye, guys. Thank you.